Next, we're going to come down here and you're going to see this is a tab component, and the tab component actually has subcomponents beneath it. So on the business summary one, you're going to want to add a dashboard. This automatically loaded because, again, I made the lead report and the opportunity report and the dashboard previously. But if you have a number of dashboards in here, you'll be able to come to this dashboard component and you'll be able to click the dashboard name and choose the dashboard that you want to display. So I'm good with partner dashboard. We're going to leave it like that. Height 485 is fine with me. Next, we're going to come to news and updates, and we're going to change news and updates by clicking right on the name. And we're going to call this our social feed. Probably don't want it publicly available because that lets the whole internet see it. All right, so we're going to click save. Now, inside of our social feed, you can see that we've already got our feed, but we need to give people a way to interact with it. So what we come into here, we're going to see that Salesforce gives us a whole slew of components that do certain things. There's plenty of analytics components. That's the dashboard that we already saw. These are report charts, things like that. There's content components that can be anything from an HTML editor to the tabs that we were just looking at. Then there's very specific feature components. So the one feature component that we want to use here to complement the feed is to include the feed publisher just above it. So this way they can make an update and they can see the updates of people that they follow. So other employees at the partner community. All right, and let's make sure this is global, record ID, wide, that's all good. You do have some options for narrow and wide. It doesn't change too much because of our layout, but you do have some options there. All right, so once again, you click out of it and that sort of saves it. We're gonna come down here and get rid of tasks. And then we're going to modify the quick create button. In the quick create button, since again, we're not worrying about tasks, we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to get rid of new case because this is just the new record detail rather than what we actually want to do with case, which we will get to momentarily. So let's get rid of those. And that's it. Our homepage is done. Let's publish. Got it.